Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber here. Today, we're going to be talking about polybutylene pipes. We'll talk about what they are and why they're a problem. In this video, we'll show you how our team can help save you from damage, hassle, and additional costs to your home with a repiping service from John the Plumber. So come along and we'll show you how we can help. Polybutylene pipes are a type of plastic pipe that saw more common use for water lines in 90s households. As you can see in this video, these pipes are gray and plastic. You can also find markings PB2110, PB, or Poly-B stamped into the pipe. As you can see, we have a gray pipe and a white pipe. The gray one is polybutylene, or Poly-B. The white one is PEX. PEX is a cross-linked polyethylene that is durable, flexible, and corrosion resistant. Nowadays, water lines can be white, red, blue, or traditional copper pipes instead of the gray polybutylene you see here. Why is this important? Polybutylene pipes became a major issue when people realized that the chlorine and oxidants in the water supply made the pipes degrade faster. High temperatures and pressure made it worse, and poor installations often led to premature failures at the joints. Over time, these pipes wear out, becoming brittle and prone to leaks or burst without warning. This led to a ban on poly pipes in Canada, and in 2005, insurance companies were no longer required to cover homes still installed with poly piping. Why? Because these pipes are a ticking time bomb that are proven to fail. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. When you book a Poly-B consultation with John the Plumber, one of our friendly and skilled plumbers will come out and inspect your home's plumbing system. We'll look at the number of bathrooms, fixtures, and pipe pathways to prepare a thorough and fair quote. On the job, we will shut off your water supply and drain the lines. We also take extra steps to protect your home by laying down floor coverings and setting up dust barriers to keep the work area and your home clean. Once the water is off, we start accessing the Poly-B pipes. We make precise cuts to minimize damage and make drywall repairs easier for later. We replace your old Poly-B pipes with new PEX piping, the long-term and reliable solution for your home. Once PEX pipes are installed, we connect them to your fixtures and appliances, ensuring that everything is hooked up correctly. After installation, we turn water back on and test everything thoroughly to make sure there are no leaks. We also take extra care to clean up, leaving your home as clean as it was when we arrived. We understand repiping can feel overwhelming, but with the right team, it doesn't have to be. At John the Plumber, our experienced team will walk you through every step to ensure a smooth and stress-free process. If you have Poly-B piping, don't wait for a disaster. Call or email John the Plumber today.